Hey friends! I recently hosted a free 5-day challenge for my business, so I wanted to take you behind the scenes and share how I did it. Free challenges are one of my favorite marketing strategies. They're fun, great for visibility, and allow you to show up and provide tons of free value before inviting them into your paid program. So your first step is to decide on your title. We ended up with Business Glow Up. It's important to make this as fun and exciting as you can and draw the connection between what you do and how this ultimately helps your client in their life. So that's why our tagline is get organized, create money-making systems, and hit your next revenue goal faster. Then we decided to make it short and actionable and host just 30-minute sessions per day. So once you've decided on the plan, it's time to go all in on promo. So you want to share it anywhere that you have an audience. And don't just share once, share multiple times. So for us, we did stories, reels, social posts, emails, anything that we could think of. After that, it's time to host your challenge. So here's my setup. We're using the platform Circle to host the challenge and do all of the trainings. I like it because it keeps it all in one nice branded space. So far, so good. We did have a few issues yesterday with the live and the fact that people need to be logged in order to actually watch the live training. But I think now that we've explained it better, it's fine and we won't have problems moving forward. So if you do use this, just make sure you're super clear that they have to be logged in order to view the live stream, but you can set it up where anyone can view the replays and they don't have to be logged in. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, we're using Circle, and then I have my lights over there because otherwise my office can be a little dark. And then I have my mic here. This one I've spoken about, I'm obsessed with. I always forget what it's called, but I'll link to it in the description below. And then I just use my webcam, which is a Logitech HD webcam, which I need to get a better one of. Honestly, there's 4K ones now. And my office is a mess, but you know what? That's fine. My view though is amazing. We're gonna actually move those trees and then I'll be able to see more of the ocean from here. Okay. All right, so I'm almost ready to go. This is the backstage area of Circle. I recommend sitting down, testing all of your tech and getting ready 15 to 10 minutes before you actually have to go live. It will allow you to double check everything and make you feel so much better before going into the training. So yeah, we are all good. I've wired in my internet, made sure I'm connected to the right microphone, got my slides ready, and yeah, here we go. So I'm always nervous before I get started, but as soon as I hit go live, then we're good and we're fine. So the anticipation part is always the worst. Okay, so I'm all done. Day 2, that went really well. People really enjoyed the lesson. So I'm super happy and I felt more comfortable in the new platform as well. So that was good. So now I need to do a few little things. I need to share the replay. I need to email that out, share the action step, and do a little story sharing a summary of what we covered. That was so much fun. Thank you so much to everyone that joined me for day 2. This is a really important mindset shift that will help get you to the next level. But all of this, all of the moving pieces and all the to-dos, it's actually quite simple because we, of course, have it all in Asana. It wouldn't be a YouTube video if I wasn't you guys should use Asana. So yeah, because it's all in there, it's definitely feeling really nice and easy, and I don't feel overly stressed out or anything. All in all, it was a huge success. We welcomed tons of new students into UpLevel with Asana, and we got great feedback from those that showed up for the challenge. Now, when you create something, it's tempting to do it once and then never again, but I'm more of the mentality to make regular improvements. So what you want to do is analyze your results and the feedback that you've received once your challenge is over. From there, make some improvements and then do it again. This is how you will get bigger and better results without too much extra work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your thoughts and questions with me in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you real soon with another video.